Water. It makes up 71% of the Earth's surface, 60% of the human body. We drink it, we swim in it, and we even post things like this. But did you know that there are two forms of water flow? They are called turbulent and laminar flow. In this video, we are focusing on laminar flow and how you yourself can create it using a balloon. Now, what is laminar flow? Laminar flow is the concept that describes a smooth, orderly movement of fluid with little to no mixture between its layers, unlike turbulent flow, which undergoes irregular fluctuations. An easier way to understand this is by looking at these pictures. To the left, you can see turbulent flow, which is crazy and fluctuating. To the right, you can see laminar flow, smooth and solid looking. Let's now go on and look at how you yourself can create laminar flow with the balloon. The materials you need for this experiment are regular dollar store balloons, electrical tape, something sharp to poke your balloon with, and a flat surface to lay your balloon on, and of course, water. The first step you want to do is grab your balloon and fill it up with water. Take a mental note that after you fill up your balloon, you will need to make sure you get out all the air bubbles inside the balloon. Doing this will make sure that the balloon will have the best possible exiting stream of water. After you make sure you have all the air bubbles out of the balloon, carefully tie your balloon and place it on top of a flat surface. The next step is to dry off your balloon so you can place your electrical tape on the balloon surface tightly. Cut your tape into four identical pieces and create a hashtag like symbol on your balloon. You should have a square like this. A side note, when creating the square with your tape, make sure your square is angled on the balloon so that the stream of water will create an arc. Now that you have filled up your balloon with water, tied the end, dried off the surface, and taped on your square, the last step is to poke your balloon in the middle of your square and watch how the water pours out as laminar flow. If you have tried to recreate this experiment and it did not work for you, make sure of these three things. 1. Make sure you have no air bubbles after filling up your balloon with water. 2. Securely tape your square onto your balloon. And 3. Let your water sit on a flat surface for a couple of seconds before poking your balloon. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you now understand what it means when you hear the words laminar flow.
I call this the Easter egg.